Share ko lang guys, first time ko ma-hold sa immigration and dito pa talaga sa Cambodia. Sa Cambodian border tayo na hold. Kasi, hello guys, kumusta kayong lahat? This is Dave, the Kuripot Traveler. And nandito tayo ngayon sa Cambodia. Hello and bye Cambodia because it's our last day. Pupunta na tayo sa Thailand. So this is a 10-day Indo-China trip. And nag-start tayo sa Vietnam, followed by Cambodia. Nag-Angkor Wat tayo, the highlight of the tour yesterday. And then tomorrow, today, Thailand. Kung kayo mag-book ng activities sa hotel, you can book it. You can book your activities sa hotel via Klook. And use my promo code DAVEGINOKLOOK para maka-discount kayo. Okay, kung mag-travel kayo guys. Pagbaban tayo, it's called Virac. Pero guys, may reco ko sa inyo. I-search si Kuya G. Jasim sa Facebook. 180 USD. May van na kayo. Fred ni Kuya. Ayan, si Kuya yung kasama namin sa tour kahapon. Super recommended si Kuya G. Jasim. Like the customer service, top notch. Ito, dito na kami sa may bus. Kuya, thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yes. Yeah. Next time. Yeah. I'm telling my friends to get you next time.
yeah,
once
okay,
they come here.
recommend,
G. Jasim, Kuya G. Jasim.
on the DIY.
On the DIY Philippines.
you.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Ingat. Snacks courtesy of them. Oh, I love it here too. Wait. Yeah. May snacks. Ito yung ano nila, mga schedule guys. Ito ang tawag dito ay Virac Buntam Express. And nabook namin ito sa 12go.asia. Okay? Ayan. Let's go. Guys, the best thing about this van, may wifi. Ano pang meron, Degs?
May saksakan.
May saksakan. Nasaan? Ayun. May pang charge. 7 to 8 hours yung biyahe. So at least meron tayong ano dito, stuff. Ayan, Cambodia Saranghe. I love you. Ano yung thank you nila? Arkoncharan, Cambodia. Ang comfortable. Yay! Thank you, my food. Sige. Ito na ating mga pagkain. 6 a.m. yung ating departure. And mini review. I love the croissant. Medyo crispy. Manipis na crispy yung outside. And I love the texture in the inside with the cheese. Oh. I love it. Super comfortable yung seats natin dito.
6 a.m. sharp.
Eh di ba yan?
Eh di balhin kung may nang gusto.
Guys, 6 a.m.
Hindi ko ta sure.
Baka on the way. So ano siya? Alis siya talaga lang 6 a.m. sharp. Punta kayo dito 30 minutes before your trip. (8:22) guys, and nag-CR break. So 10 minutes na CR break and malapit na tayo sa border ng Cambodia and Thailand. Hello. Ito ang kanilang terminal here sa malapit sa border ng Cambodia and Thailand. So this is how it looks like inside guys. Dapat mag-seatbelt. So dito bit-bit yung mga natin maleta kasi sa scan. Okay? Okay naman dito kasi may instruction si yung driver tapos yung kaninang nasa bus terminal. Okay. Lumagpas na tayo sa Cambodian immigration. Punta na tayo ngayon sa border talaga ng Thailand and Cambodia. Ito na. Thailand na. Survive the Cambodian immigration. The Cambodian border. Okay, share ko lang guys. First time ko ma-hold sa immigration. And dito pa talaga sa Cambodia. sa Cambodian border tayo na hold. Kasi may tinatawag na immigration card. Yun yung color brown na card na binibigay sa inyo pagpasok sa Cambodia. And hindi ko siya bitbit, sana hindi ko siya tinanggal kagabi sa passport ko tinagay sa bag. Yung bag ko nasa van kung nasaan yung immigration card ko ng Cambodia. So, must pala yun. Kailangan pala yung dinadala kasi chinecheck. So, yun, di ako pinapasok. Di ako pinapasok, guys. So, nilabas ko yung lumabas ako sa immigration, pero hindi ko mahanap yung van. Hindi ko mahanap yung van. Kaya naman, bumalik ako sa taas nang walang immigration card. Sinabi ko na lang sa immigration officer na, syempre with Google Translate, our driver is on the other side. I cannot find him anymore. But I have that. I have the picture. Pero the card lang daw. Yung card dapat yung mismong paper. Pero, ayun. Survive naman natin. So guys, dinaan ko sa charm. Nakapasok naman tayo. Parang pinayagan na lang niya ako. So yun, make sure to bring your immigration card always. Kung ano magbibigay sa inyo. Okay, huwag niyong iwalis sa mga sarili ninyo. Alright, congrats to us. Lumagpas na tayo sa Thailand immigration. Come to Thailand. So nawawala-wala kami ngayon. May sumalubong naman sa atin. Ito sa Travel Mart Bangkok. Okay. Thank you. Is there a toilet?
Over there.
Over there. Toilet. Nice.
You pay coin 5 baht.
Oh, I don't have coin. Maybe later.
You have dollar, Thai, and real.
Real?
Real.
Real? Can we pay via real?
You have real. You change to Thai baht.
2 Thai baht. Pwede pay change. Pero anyway, wag na. Do you love Marimar?
I love Marima.
You love Marian?
Got married already.
Married already?
Got 2 children.
Oh my god, you're updated. She has 2 children
Got
already.
married with Ding Dong.
Yeah!
And he's very handsome. So
Yes!
Was Marimar really famous here?
Yeah, very.
In Thailand? Thailand or Cambodia?
Cambodia.
Cambodia. Oh, so
Yeah, we watch
Cambodia.
Philippine movie.
Wow, okay. Yes. Marimar. Oh. Which Filipino celebrity do you know?
Celebrate.
Who else?
I like Manny Pacquiao.
Oh.
Boxer, very
Yes.
strong. Very rich.
Oh, you are. You're like Manny Pacquiao too.
Not many Pacquiao. Pacquiao only one person, right? In Philippines.
Yeah.
Not many, right?
Yeah. So that was a joke. Wait. That was a joke. That was a joke. I love Cambodia. Manny Pacquiao.
Many Pacquiao. Not many Pacquiao. Only one.
Just one Pacquiao.
Just one Pacquiao. Yeah, not many Pacquiao. Okay?
Thank you. Oh, that's nice. Pilipinas. Ito na yun. Kailan na tayo. Tapusin ko na yung vlog dito. So this has been my most memorable immigration experience. Yung ma-hold dahil may naiwan akong immigration card. So never again talaga. Tapos actually guys, share ko lang, tinay akong singilan ng 200 baht ng immigration officer pero sabi ko wala akong cash. And sabi ko yung driver namin ay nasa other side na ng border. So buti pinalagpas tayo, okay, at pinapasok. So ginamitan ko na lang talaga siya ng charm. So thank you so much guys. Sana nakatulong yung vlog na ito kung kayo mag-Indochina trip, travel kayo from Cambodia to Thailand. Abangan nyo pang ating next Indochina vlogs. Alright? Bye-bye! Hold ako sa Cambodian immigration. Guys, as in na-hold ako for the first time ever in my 19 countries dahil naiwan ko to sa bus namin, I mean sa van namin, papasok ng Thailand. So guys, ito ay kailangan yung dalhin, okay? So sabi ko, kunin ko sa syempre in English. I'll get it sa car. Pero ang layo, I think nasa other side yung car natin, itong car natin. Nasa other side of the border na. Napasok naman ako eventually. Please, left it. Can I enter? But ayun, mali on my side na hindi ko to binitbit. Wag na tong iiwan. And immigration card, wag nyong wawalain talaga. Nandito na tayo. We made it to Thailand. So salamat kay Kuya kanina, nakapasok tayo. So yun guys, lesson learned. Sana hindi to mangyari kahit kanino, lalong-lalo na sa inyong mga nanonood nito dahil bibit-bitin nyo na yung inyong immigration card. Lalo na para sa mga mag-Indo-China trip.